Today we're going to make some hooks for Mark Schaefermeyer over at Make Tinker Share. He made some his and hers towel racks that have 2 hooks on them, and I offered to make him some forged ones. I thought this would be a good opportunity to introduce you to Chris. He's the Woodbury blacksmith. I never know what he's doing over there. I think he's cleaning. We're going to make some simple J hooks with a nice little spade detail on the top. Take a look. First step is just to taper out one end. Take it square and then make it round. Next he curls over the tip. And you could do this next step in the same heat as this, but for this video we did it in 2 heats. He just curled off the tip there, just so that when he hits it, it doesn't deform and he can get the proper curl for the hook. Cut it to length, snap it off, and then we're going to taper out the other end. Bring it to the edge of the anvil, create a nice shoulder, flatten it out pretty good, go to your cross peen and start flaring those sides out to make a spade. And that's it. Mark Schaefermeyer over at Make Tinker Share made some his and her